What if a building could tell you the story of a city? In Pondicherry's French Quarter, one such story almost vanished. Two buildings in the heritage part of the city, once full of life, stood at risk of being lost forever. But instead of being replaced, they were reborn. That rebirth became Villa Shanti, a heritage hotel where Pondicherry's past lives in harmony with the present. Come let us take you behind the scenes into how this gorgeous getaway came into being and then step within its doors. Villa Shanti began as two forgotten homes in the French Quarter, Villa Elena and Shanti Guest House, that were about to fade out of the scene. But fate and Segiane Sylvain Pondicherry, now managing director of Villa Shanti, had other plans. After acquiring these two homes, instead of tearing them down, Mr. Pondicherry hired French architects and local artisans to preserve and restore them. The larger goal was to help preserve the DNA of Pondicherry, the city with which he had ancestral connections. Slowly and surely, using ancient techniques, local materials, and blending heritage with contemporary design, Villa Shanti came into being. The philosophy behind its creation was simple: preserve the old, but write a new story. One of the key decisions taken during the restoration stage was to give space to the guests to breathe and live. Instead of cramming 30 rooms in a small spa, Villa Shanti chose fewer, larger ones, where every corner would feel calm and every detail speak of timeless elegance. At Villa Shanti, service takes on a different meaning. No stiff formality, no overwhelming fuss, just what Mr. Pondicherry calls invisible service. Attentive yet discreet, genuine, heartfelt care that makes you feel at home and taken care of. And at the heart of Villa Shanti is its restaurant. After all, it calls itself a heritage hotel for foodies. It features menus inspired by both Indian and French traditions, created with seasonal local ingredients. Every dish is crafted for pleasure, not pretense, balancing flavors that truly belong in Pondicherry's climate and culture. When we asked Mr. Pondicherry what a stay at Villa Shanti is like, this is what he had to say.
People who stays more than 2 days, 2 nights, at the end they cry. They almost cry saying, "You have helped us reconnect with my husband," or "The husband, you have helped me reconnect with my wife in having a simple life." Okay, phone is there. People are sending Instagram or whatever selfies, or yes, but overall, we are a brand which naturally helps people to reconnect to their soul and breathe again.
Villa Shanti isn't just a heritage hotel to stay at. It's a living story deeply connected to the history and heritage of the city it is located in. A story of heritage saved, of artisans remembered, of space reimagined. If you've enjoyed discovering this heritage, stay with us. Like, subscribe, and follow along for more.